Hi guys, and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to Leeds, so stay tuned and there's more to come. So here's the train and let's go to Leeds.
Follow into beautiful places. Everyone is not around. I wish it could happen to me.
Leeds is really sunny today. I really like it on sunny days. I always like to come when it's sunny because it just looks so much better. Everything looks so nice. I mean, it looks nice on a dull day, but it looks a lot better on a sunny day. And it feels like the middle of July today and it's March. So South Bank is a new up-and-coming area in Leeds. It's developing quickly. It's took a few years for this to develop on Grenady Wharf, but it's really nice. It's actually been worth waiting for because it's just so nice. It's a really nice up-and-coming area. Hi guys, and welcome back to my video. I am now in Leeds. Looking at Midland Mills. I'm going to go to Aire Park today. Someone asked me in the comments about going there, and I ain't been there yet and I'm looking forward to it. So I'm going to go there and then I might go up to Arena Quarter again. And I'm going to try go to Broadcasting Place because I didn't go there last time and I said that I would do, so I'm going to go there today as well, I think. It's a beautiful day. I always come on a beautiful day because I always feel happier when I've been on a sunny day. It's just the vibe I get. So as you can see, Midland Mills is standing proud over the skyline. Not much has changed in a week since I last came, but it's still standing proud and I'm looking forward to its progression. So I think this is my new favourite area in Leeds. It is so nice around here, like honestly. I love the architecture and I just love the designs of the buildings and the vibe I get around here. It's really nice. It's a new Arena Quarter because I used to be obsessed with Arena Quarter, but now I seem to be obsessed with South Bank because obviously the skyscraper's getting built. So yeah. So this is like a mini flat iron building in Leeds. It's a really nice addition. Bridgewater Place is looking really good in the sun today. So I think today is definitely curry and chips weather. It's just a beautiful sunny day today. I'm getting the vibe. So I'm walking to Midland Mills right now. Yeah, so I've been coming to Leeds a lot lately because I want to like go to Manchester again, but in a few months or in a few weeks, because I want to see the dramatic change and I want to go again and have a shock really. I just want to go. So I've completely cut off my hair at this point. And have a shock that everything's changed dramatically. Because Manchester's changing a lot more than Leeds is. It's changing at a higher rate than Leeds is actually changing. So I want to see a massive difference from when I last went. Yeah, so Midland Mills is there standing proud. So Whitehall Riverside is looking really smart. I like the look of it. I just think it looks great. I love the grey cladding. I think it's really smart. I can't actually walk and get close-up shots of Midland Mill, so I'm going to have to walk around it. The road down here is closed, so I'm going to have to go this way I think. My usual path. Because it's closed and I don't really want to disrupt him or distract the workers, so I'm just going to go this way. But yeah. So Midland Mills is slowly but surely making great progress. It's looking really nice in the sun today. So let's head to Aire Park. So Aire Park is a brand new park in Leeds city centre, so let's go see what it's about. So the water taxis run every 15 minutes between Leeds and Leeds docks. They start at Granary Wharf under the southern entrance and they go on to Leeds docks. It's £3 per person and I think children go free. But it's a really nice ride and it's quite romantic as well. So it's another one of them posing days. Sorry everyone. So Midland Mills is popping out everywhere in Leeds now. You really don't need Venice when you've got this. Just look at that. Wow. So this is a beautiful sculpture in Aire Park. It's a really nice addition and it's really interesting to look at. Aire Park is a brand new park in Leeds. It's currently still under development, but it will be open soon. It's a really nice area. I came a few months ago and it was nice to see how it's changed so much. The buildings in the foreground were under construction when I last went past it, so it's made great progress. They look a bit like Manhattan as well actually, looking at them. Don't you just love fresh grass when they've put a new park in? It just looks so nice and clean. It won't be like that for long I'm guessing, but if they keep up to it and maintain it, it'll be great. So I'm guessing a lot of work people will come on here for alfresco. lunch on the park. Bridgewater Place is standing proud over Leeds today. I really like these stones that they've added in the park. I think it's a really nice touch. It looks really, really nice, and you'd forget you're in the city centre. It's just so nice. So I wouldn't be at Leeds if I wasn't having curry and chips. Don't they look absolutely amazing? And I really did enjoy them. They were so nice. So Cirrus Point is now looking great. The floor slabs are about halfway now, so it's made great progress. It's looking really slender and tall over the skyline, and the cladding actually looks really good. I really like the look of it in the sun. I think it's a great touch. It's really nice and it fits in well with its surroundings. It's a really nice addition. Spring is in the air in Leeds. So the cladding has actually got a bit of a grey tint to it. Looking from this angle it looks a little bit grey, but I think it looks better like that. I think it looks cool. So Broadcasting Place over the last year has been getting recladded. I think this is because of the Grenfell fire that happened in 2017, nearly 10 years ago. But all the tower blocks are now getting recladded for this reason. But yeah, it doesn't look that great at the moment, and the cladding actually looks a bit mucky. They'll probably clean it before it's released again. But look at that skyline view, it looks amazing. This is from the multi-storey car park on Woodhouse Lane. I wasn't sure if I were allowed to take pictures because sometimes they tell you off. Here I am in Costerdale, Leeds. Although it's giving off Cuban vibes. Leeds Town Hall is standing proud today. It looks really nice in the sun. It's really nice lighting for it today. As you can see, people are walking by and not admiring the beauty of Leeds. They're just there with their heads down walking through and not actually looking up and seeing the beautiful architecture. So that is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching and stay tuned for more videos to come in future. Bye everyone.